What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. In front of me here we have these beautifully refurbished 18-inch Honda HFP wheels. That's the Honda Factory Performance wheels. These are 18-inch. Boy, did they look like they needed some work before, but my man over at Imperial Powder Coating took care of these wheels. They look amazing. The finish is amazing. The color is amazing. Everything looks good. So we got one final touch to put on these wheels to set them back into factory state. So before we take care of that, let's go back in time and take a look at a set of these wheels that I had picked up. Now this set in front here, this is the 18-inch Honda Accord Sport wheels. I picked these up used. I attempted to strip the wheels. That's when I found out that the commercial product was not available for residential use. So this product did help to remove some of the powder coating that was on there, or whatever coating that was on there. But the reality is it was not able to do the job. So I had to take them over to my man at Imperial Powder Coating, and he took care of the rest. All right, here are the wheels right here. We finally got them off to the shop, so we'll get them through the process, and they'll be looking good as new. All right, so here we got a set of Honda HFP, so Honda Factory Performance wheels. These wheels clearly have seen better days. I did pick these up for a decent price. So now that the tires have been dismounted, they can head over to the same shop that the other wheels are to get refinished. Now this wheel here did have a crack that was repaired. So we're gonna get these things loaded up and dropped off at the shop. So here are the wheels. This is the first set. They have been sandblasted. They're looking pretty clean. All of the previous coating has been completely stripped and they've been blasted, so they're looking good. And then the second set of wheels are coming up here. Those are also looking fresh and ready for the next stage of the process. Get that color added and have them coming out really nice and crispy. Also, to add to that, we do have these 18-inch Honda Accord Sport wheels. You can see these also have been refinished. My man did an excellent job. They are looking beautiful. This is the same color that's on a lot of the this is the same color that's on a lot of the Acura wheels. It's that shark gray looking color, but these wheels are definitely looking amazing. So there you have it, folks. These wheels, they've been refurbished. They look good as new. It's really hard to find these HFP wheels nowadays because they just don't make them anymore. And the ones that are out there have probably been damaged to no avail. So if you have a set of wheels that you want to refurbish, it absolutely is possible. Just make sure you get any of your dents, any cracks, any bends. Get that stuff repaired before you take it to your preferred powder coating shop. But you can see here the job came out great. I'm absolutely pleased with the outcome of these wheels. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.